我是5年2班的龚之晴。
I'm Ray from 503，我是5年3班的何冠瑞。
I'm Lucas from 503，我是5年3班的李浩全。
As a student at Erchong Elementary School, do you really know your surroundings? 身为二重国小的一份子，你们真的了解自己所居住的环境吗
Yeah, I think so. 应该了解吧。
Really? Let me show you a picture here. 真的吗？那我拿张照片给你们看。Do you know where it is? 知道这是哪里吗
That's easy. It's 福田 Park. 太简单了，这不就是福田公园吗
Good job. But do you know there's a bus stop in front of the park? 不错哦。那你们知道公园前面有公车站牌吗
？Of course we do. 当然知道啊。
Bus 640 can take us to MRT Ximen Station. From there we can transfer to MRT Blue Line and Green Line. 640路线公车可以我们到捷运西门站，在那里我们可以转乘捷运蓝线和绿线。
Bus 292 can take us to MRT Zhongshan Station. From there, we can transfer to MRT Red Line and Green Line. 292路线公车可以带我们到捷运中山站，在那里我们可以转乘捷运红线和绿线。
Bus 816 can take us to MRT Shiling Station. From there, we can walk to Shiling Night Market. 816路线公车可以带我们到捷运士林站，我们可以从那里走路去士林夜市。